alaikum guys, hope you're all well, and inshallah today I'll be making Seekh Kabab. For that I'm going to use 1 kg of mutton, handful of coriander, 7 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, a bit of mint and 1 onion chopped fine, but it's very important that you drain all the water out of the onion after chopping it. And these herbs and spices: 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste, and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Stay with me till the end inshallah, and I'll show you how to make the perfect Seekh Kabab. I'm going to add all these spices and herbs in now inshallah. So bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Coriander, onions, the mint and the ginger, and the chilies. Red chili powder, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, salt to taste. I've used 1 tablespoon, black pepper, ground black pepper, garam masala, and the corn flour. 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So after adding all them in, I'm going to give it a good mix. Bismillah. Just squeeze all the ingredients in. It's very important that you squeeze all the ingredients in. Otherwise you'll have unseasoned meat in there, and unseasoned meat cooked, it doesn't taste very nice. Squeeze the meat like that until it's all mixed in. Really give it a good mix. Bismillah. Okay, now I'll give it a good mix and all the herbs and spices are mixed in. I'm going to leave this to marinate for about an hour now. Okay guys, so this has been marinating now for over an hour. So inshallah we're going to start making the Seekh Kababs. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a mix now. It's been marinated for an hour. Bismillah. You don't have to do that thorough. Just a quick mix. Bismillah. Right, so you get about that much meat, about half a handful. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, and just press it like that until it goes like a Seekh Kabab shape. Skewer through the center. Bismillah. Gently press it and bring the meat down slowly. Gently press it and bring the meat down, so you get the Seekh Kababs getting longer and longer now. Once you got about the right length, and then you can put the lines on if you want. Just squeeze it with your thumb and the index finger like that. That's it. Got the shapes in and everything, these lines. But I'm going to be cooking it in a pan, no oven, no barbecue. So these lines are most likely go when I toss and turn them in the pan. But that's how you shape them up. Okay guys, so once you've got all the kebab mince on the skewers, it should look something like this. Okay guys, now I'm going to inshallah shallow fry them, show you how to do that. A bit of oil at the bottom. Put the Seekh Kabab in. One. As many as you can get in your pan and you can control. I'm going to get 3 in this pan. Bismillah. And keep it on a low heat and just turn them every so often. Okay, and you'll turn them every like 20-30 seconds. Just keep on turning them, otherwise they'll start sticking to the bottom because there's not that much oil in it as well. Just turn them every 30 seconds. And once they start going firm, you can take the skewers off and then it'll be easier for you to turn them. Bismillah. So you grab your there, pull it back and then off. Grab it at the front, pull it back, and then pull the skewer out. And now it's going to be easier for you to turn them. Let them cook on a low to medium heat, but keep on turning them because you want them to cook from the inside as well, not just the outside. Let them cook evenly, like all around on a low to medium heat. They're easier to turn, so you can start adding more. And just keep on top of it, just keep on turning them like that until they're all done. Turn them every so often. Don't let them sit on one side for too long. Just keep on turning them every 30 seconds on a medium to low heat until they cook and they look something like that. That's done, that is now, that one. We'll cook them all like that inshallah until they're all done. I'm going to place them in a pan like that now. And then just get a charcoal flavour to them. And put a piece of foil in the middle. Put a piece of coal in the centre, heat it up on the gas cooker. And put a bit of oil on it. And straight away put that lid on it. Just to get that charcoal flavour on it. We ain't got the weather here in the UK for barbecue, but we still want that charcoal barbecue taste. And that's it. That's enough. Just about a minute. MashaAllah, these have come out beautiful. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. They smell great, look great. You can smell that charcoal flavouring on it now. I'll give it about a minute with that coal, a bit of oil on it. Bismillah. MashaAllah guys, shish kebabs taste lovely with naan bread and a bit of salad and a bit of chili sauce on top, inshallah. Bismillah. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.